Picture this. You're surrounded by the familiar comfort of your own home, yet a storm seems to be brewing within you. Stress, anxiety, a feeling of being overwhelmed takes center stage. It's a battle you've likely faced before, one that many of us face every day. But what if I told you there's a beacon of light, a guiding star that can lead you out of this turbulent sea? What if I shared with you a simple yet profound practice that can transform your experience of stress and anxiety? You may have heard people talking about mindfulness, but how does it truly work and why should you care? Welcome to our journey into the world of mindfulness. Today, we're not just discussing a new trend or a buzzword. We're exploring a path to inner peace and emotional resilience. Let's embark on this enlightening exploration together. Do you often feel like life is pulling you in different directions, leaving you drained and anxious? Does it seem like no matter what you do, the stress just keeps piling on? Are you searching for ways to manage your anxiety and find a sense of calm amidst the chaos? If you answered yes, then this video is the lifeline you've been waiting for. Through the transformative power of mindfulness, you can learn to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. Imagine a life where you're not constantly bombarded by feelings of anxiety and stress, but instead find yourself at peace even in the most challenging situations. It might sound like a distant dream, but it's closer than you think. In today's fast-paced world, anxiety and stress have become unwelcome guests that overstay their welcome. According to the American Psychological Association, nearly 60% of adults in the United States report feeling more stressed now than they did 5 years ago. But what if you had the tools to turn the volume down on that internal alarm? Mindfulness, simply put, is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the here and now. When you're mindful, you're fully aware of your thoughts, feelings, and the world around you without judgment. This practice has roots in ancient meditation traditions, but it's gaining traction in modern psychology as a powerful tool to tackle anxiety. But how does mindfulness actually help, and why should you, a busy individual with a packed schedule, invest time in learning and practicing it? The benefits of mindfulness extend far beyond simply feeling calm. It's like an investment that yields multiple returns. Firstly, mindfulness helps you become more aware of your triggers, those moments that set off your stress response. By understanding what causes your anxiety, you can better manage and overcome these challenges. Secondly, mindfulness equips you with emotional regulation skills. It's like having an inner GPS that guides you to navigate your emotions effectively, helping you stay grounded when stress tries to pull you off balance. Thirdly, mindfulness enhances your ability to connect with others. When you're present and engaged in conversations, you build stronger bonds and create meaningful connections. And lastly, mindfulness improves your overall well-being. It's like tending to a garden. When you invest time and care into it, it flourishes. Similarly, when you practice mindfulness, your mental and physical health reap the rewards. Now let's delve deeper into the science behind mindfulness. Studies show that regular mindfulness practice can lead to tangible changes in your brain. It's like rewiring your brain for resilience. A study published in the journal Psychiatry Research, Neuroimaging discovered that mindfulness-based therapy resulted in changes in brain regions associated with attention, memory, and emotion regulation. But don't worry, you don't need to commit to a drastic lifestyle change or set aside hours each day to practice mindfulness. It can be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, observing your thoughts without judgment, or fully engaging in the task at hand. These small moments of mindfulness can make a big difference in managing your anxiety. The first step on your mindfulness journey is becoming aware of your thoughts. It's like turning on the internal volume so you can hear the whispers of your mind. Thoughts are like visitors who come and go. They're always there, but you don't have to entertain or believe everything they say. By observing your thoughts without judgment, you start to create a space between you and your thoughts, reducing their power over you. Next, focus on your breath. Your breath is your anchor to the present moment. When you notice your anxiety rising, take a few deep breaths. Inhale slowly and deeply, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale, letting go of any tension or worry. This simple act can help you calm down and bring your attention back to the present. Now let's move on to body scan meditation. This practice involves bringing your awareness to different parts of your body, noticing any sensations without trying to change them. Start by bringing your attention to your toes. Notice any feelings or sensations there. Slowly move your awareness up your body, observing each part without judgment. This practice helps you connect with your body and cultivate a sense of grounding. Another effective technique is mindful walking. It's like taking a stroll in the park, but with a mindful twist. As you walk, pay attention to the sensation of your feet on the ground, the movement of your body and the surroundings. Engage all your senses and immerse yourself in the present moment. Let's explore another powerful mindfulness practice, mindful listening. In a world where distractions are abundant, taking the time to truly listen can be transformative. Whether it's listening to music, someone sharing a story, or simply the sounds around you, be fully present in the experience. Notice the different sounds, the emotions they evoke, and let yourself fully immerse in the listening experience. For those seeking a structured approach, guided meditations are a great resource. Numerous apps and online platforms offer guided meditations for various purposes, including stress reduction and anxiety management. Find a quiet space, follow along with the guide, and allow yourself to relax and let go of distracting thoughts. It's important to note that consistency is key when it comes to practicing mindfulness. Like any skill, it takes time and regular practice to see the benefits. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day for mindfulness exercises and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Over time, you'll notice that these moments of mindfulness can help you navigate stressful situations with greater ease. Mindfulness isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, so feel free to experiment with different techniques and find what works best for you. Share your experiences with others and learn from their insights. Create a support system that encourages and motivates you on your mindfulness journey. If you're finding this information helpful, please show your support. Your support means a lot and helps spread awareness about the benefits of mindfulness. Together, we can create a community that prioritizes mental health and emotional well-being. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Reach out to friends, family, or professionals for support and guidance. Every step you take towards incorporating mindfulness into your life is a step towards a calmer, more balanced you. So go ahead, take that first step and experience the transformative power of mindfulness. As we come to the end of our journey today, I hope you're equipped with some valuable tools to manage your anxiety and stress. Remember, you hold the power to transform your experience of stress and anxiety. By embracing mindfulness, you can find moments of calm and clarity amidst the chaos. Keep practicing, keep believing in your ability to heal and grow, and keep moving forward toward a life filled with peace and resilience. Until next time, may your days be filled with moments of mindfulness and may your heart find solace in the journey.